Good morning, students. This class is for class 3 English literature class, and today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 6, that is Lucy, a poem written by William Wordsworth. It's a very lovely, nice poem, but little bit sorrow. Okay, this poem has 3 stanzas. Here, this poem has 3 stanzas. In the first one, it is described about Lucy's home, where did she live and all that. In the second stanza, about the Lucy's look, and in the third stanza, about Lucy's death. Okay, so come on, let us try to understand this poem. She dwelt among the untrodden ways. This stanza, this line, what does it mean? She dwelt means she lived. Dwelt means lived. She lived among the untrodden ways means she lived in a place where nobody goes. Untrodden means nobody goes there. Nobody walked there. Okay. A place where nobody goes, she lived there. Now come to second line, beside the springs of dove. Dove means, actually dove means a bird, but here dove is the name of a river. Beside the springs of dove means, beside means at the side of river dove. A maid, maid means girl. Okay, a maid whom there were no one to praise. A girl, Lucy is a girl that nobody praises her, nobody tells her that you are very good, nobody is there to appreciate her, and very few to love, and you can say almost very few people loved Lucy. So she was very alone, very lonely girl. Did you understand this? Okay, now come to second stanza. A violet by a mossy stone. Violet is a flower, violet color, blue color flower you have seen. Beside the mossy stone, a stone, a green moss falls over it, covered with moss. That type of stone is called mossy stone. A violet flower is bloomed at the side of mossy stone, which is half hidden from the eyes. We can see the flower very little bit. Here flower is compared with Lucy, that Lucy is a girl whom very few people knew. Fair as a star. The poet is saying that Lucy is quite fair, just like a star when only one. Like in the sky, when only one star is shining, we say evening star. So in full sky, only one star is shining. Lucy is just like that. She looks just shining and bright. Now come to the last stanza. She lived unknown and few could know. As I have earlier explained, that she lived where nobody goes. Okay, in very lonely place. So very few people know where she is living. When Lucy ceased to be, ceased means death. When Lucy died, very few people came to know that she died, because very few people knew her. But she is in her grave, and oh, the difference to me. But poet is saying that I know Lucy very nicely, and now she is in grave, and I feel the difference between her living state and in the state where she is in grave. That means that the poet is in a deep sorrow after Lucy's death. Okay, so this is your poem. I know it is little bit difficult for you, but I have explained. So you go through it, you read the poem again and again. I am sure you will understand this. Okay. So children, your today's homework is you will write this poem in your copy in a very beautiful handwriting and show it to me. Okay, bye bye.